Okay, these are beer bottles, Heineken, which is one of my favorite beer. It's good, and it looks good. It's transparent, pretty good. However, if you look under black light, it's green. What if I turn off the light? It's not transparent anymore. They changed it. So, I just drank this bottle, and there are a small amount of the liquid, the beer liquid, in it. I'm gonna to do a test. Without the bottle, what about the color of the beer under black light? Yeah? It's very bad. And there are something like depositions in the liquid. Have a closer look. That's the beer. That's the beer. A new slide. And I'll take a drop of the sample. Glass cover. Okay. Move this and put the sample slide on. Yeah, there are graphene particles found. Okay, I'll stop and we'll try to connect the image with the television. Okay, I have connected with the TV of the microscope images, so we can see, yeah, there are some solid particles. This is, about 250 times of, enlargement. Oh, it's 100, that's 100. This is 250. You can see that particle, and these things, that's graphene oxide. That's graphene oxide. That's graphene oxide. So they are feeding me graphene by replacing the beer. And you cannot see anything wrong with the package of the bottle. So it might be manufactured in a large scale, industrial scale, and we have batches, especially for the targeted individuals. This is 1,000 times. No, need to be refocused. Let's try. Okay. Like this. I'll put it in the center of the vision field. And then I change to 1,000. It's here. What are these? It's oil phase. So there are some oil things, organic oil. There may be some heavy metal, compounds, and some organic materials. Okay. It isn't safe. We have already the food crisis. Take care, citizens.